For the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine, but after their own lusts, and heap unto themselves teachers, having itching ears, turn away from the truth and unto fables. We live in a society of instant gratification, where people are living for likes, loves, and shares. We live in a society where social media platforms have an influence on people's mind of what God thinks about them. We live in a society where individuals and teachers and preachers have turned away from the doctrine, but unto fables, unto rhymes, unto things that will make people's flesh feel good in order to have a certain status or type of notoriety. We live in a time where the doctrine of God, the doctrine of Jesus Christ, has been watered down and become lukewarm. But if you want to endure to the end, you must pray. You must read the word daily, and you must be the word. For more teaching and encouragement, go ahead and follow us.